So Arnold, field day 2024, we've got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 combines here.
Yeah.
Tell me about this.
Well, it all started with 2 combines about maybe 10 years ago, probably. Before that, started with 2 and got more interest as we went along, and pretty soon we ended up with these.
Who owns all these machines?
Well, I have 2. Jimmy Miro, he'd come over here, he'd want to ask him too. He's got 2, Calvin's got 2, and then Calvin and me worked on this one together, this Roto-thresh.
Right.
Yeah.
So you make an annual sort of thing of this every year, don't you? How many guys usually come out for this?
Well, we usually have enough guys to run them all. Once in a while we might be short somebody, but usually if there's 4 or 5 combines, and then guys around here will jump on and run them once in a while.
Just for fun,
somebody
time's sake. You're picking up a really tough crop this year. It's down, but some of these machines are still doing a pretty good job, aren't they?
Yeah, considering, eh?
Yeah, they're not really designed to pick up. There's no teeth or anything on the reels. How much work did it take to get all these machines into this condition where they would actually do something?
Well, just odds and ends and small things. That 510 needed some motor work, but these 2 Super 92s actually not much to put on them, just a belt once in a while, or not a lot of work. Same with those Calvin's 2 combines there, that 80 and that 90. They're just odds and ends, but nothing major.
Are these all local combines except for the Roto-thresh?
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Do you know much of the history of them?
Well, I know the history of some of them. They come from right around Milden, hey?
Okay.
I'm not sure where we picked that case up.
That case is in really nice shape, isn't it?
And but most of them are fairly local, eh?
That case looks like it might have been shedded for a lot of its life. A lot of its life.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep doing this
I think so.
as long as people want to come out and drive an old combine.
That's right. Yep.
Eat some dust.
Yep. That's right.
So compared to the new machines, what does it make you think when you're driving on one of these girls?
Well, I haven't been running newer machines. I'm pretty much retired, but I can remember operating these old girls, and at the time I hated it after those terrible days, but
Yeah.
now it's fun to run them.
Yeah, exactly, right? It's a totally different perspective.
Yep.
Mind you, you're not on it 12 hours
No,
a day, right?
no, that's right. No.
Eating chaff and
Yep.
dust. Well, Arnold, thanks for inviting us out. We appreciate
For
it.
sure. Yep.
And I think a lot of people are going to enjoy to see seeing these old machines running again. It's a pretty rare sight these days.
It is, and I'm got fingers crossed that Roto-thresh is going to go now.
She had a little bit of trouble, but
Yep.
it looks like she's humming along
Yep.
nicely.
Yep.
Well, we should go check it out.
Okay, absolutely.